Welcome back to my YouTube video. I'll be talking about Azure and cloud services, how they work. Also, today I'll be talking about the virtual machine security mistakes. So, creating a virtual machine is one thing, and another thing is to secure your virtual machine. Most of the time, virtual machines feel insecure because of the way they are created and the policies around them. One of the flaws that occur when creating a virtual machine is when you have a open ports. When you have ports opened and they are not restricted and you don't put in necessary security measures, that means your virtual machine is vulnerable. The next thing again is when you don't have a NSG, that's network security group, where you identify the traffic that come in and the traffic that go out of your virtual machine. If you don't have that in place for your virtual machine is vulnerable. The next thing again is talking about backup. All virtual machines ought to have backups, meaning that if anything goes wrong, you have your backup ready to come back to place. So that's on that thing. If you don't have that, you know that is actually vulnerable. The next thing I want to talk about is monitoring. Monitoring in the sense that you need your virtual machine to actually be monitored, meaning that you should check what is really happening by time after time to know what's really happening. For instance, you're having a high CPU, or you're having a high memory, or you're having issues on the virtual machine. You need to keep your virtual machine monitored also. So these things I mentioned are ways you can be able to secure your virtual machine and avoid it being hacked or vulnerabilities getting into it. Thank you very much.